Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to be helping you with how to fix block from posting on TikTok as well as explaining what caused this issue in the first place. So I have got the TikTok open here. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I will open up the TikTok mobile application. So first of all, the point to remember is that whenever you have blocked from posting on TikTok, it is usually because you have broken some of the type of community guidelines. So I'll just guide you through the process and teach you how to appeal that and re-again the right the post again and regain the right to post again. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will click our profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then we'll click on the three lines at the top right corner and we'll go to settings and privacy. Here we have to scroll down all the way along, and here you can see the option of report a problem. You simply have to tap on this. So now on this page it provides you with all the sorts of options, and under the topics you just want to press the videos and sounds. Then here you can see the option of posting videos. You simply have to tap on this, and then you have to go to block from posting. Basically, when you are blocked from posting on TikTok, it's because you have violated several community guidelines. If you believe that you never really violated any of the guidelines, you really want to state your arguments as to why it may not have been violation, all you should is that you simply have to tap on no. Then you have to click on need more help. This is where you should type in the complete story of why you should be unblocked. Otherwise, you may have to wait until the algorithm automatically removes the block. This can be take to a week, and it's a major issue. TikTok could indeed block your account for up to 30 days or even deactivate it entirely. Now the safest option is to go in here and write the entire scenario making your case why shouldn't be blocked, and then press report and you will receive a response from TikTok. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, bell icon. Thank you for watching.